boy. Yes guys, welcome back to the channel once more again. Welcome back to Vinci Vibe Plus. Yeah, I'm in the backyard today. I'm gonna get some yellow plum, which you call Jamaican plum. I don't know why they call it Jamaican plum, but they call it Jamaican plum, but we know it as yellow plum. Right in front of me we have breadfruit there. We have breadfruit, we have breadfruit, we have breadfruit everywhere, guys. I know it down, that's curtains. There's a football match going on right now down there. Yeah, sorry guys, the backyard is dirty. I haven't cleaned it as yet. And this is the plum tree right here. Yeah, so we're gonna try and fill this small bucket that we have here. Let's see how much plum we can get in this. Yes, my mom has scythe, pepper, watermelon, tomato. Yeah, look at that. The plums are falling off already. Yeah, they are falling already. Soursop, pawpaw. Yeah, so without any further ado, we're gonna go up in the tree. Yes guys, so if you're new to my channel, yes, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And these are the kind of videos I bring you guys. Fruit picking, spear fishing. We promote St. Vincent here on this channel 100%. 100%. You hear me? Yeah, so we're gonna go up in the tree. We have some plum right here. We have some right here that we can pick. We have some right here that we can pick. See that, guys? That's yellow plum. Yellow plum. These plums are very sweet, guys. I don't like the looks of this one. This one look like it's spoiled. But we're gonna go up in the tree. We're gonna go up in the tree and we're gonna get some more up there. Alright? So stay tuned and let's go. Follow me on this journey. Let's see how much we can get. Take off my slippers. Look at that limb over there. Okay, this is the best limb to go on. This one is loaded. Look at that, guys. Look at plums. Look at plums. Oh. See that, guys? That's yellow plum. There's one right here. Look at that. That's what you call a yellow plum. Look at that. Sweet, 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 guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this bucket, I'm gonna hang it somewhere because I want to be hands-free. I'm gonna hang it somewhere so I can just pick and put in the bucket. Let's look for a good spot. Boom! Yeah, boy! Vinci vibe, guys. Vinci vibe. If there's a vibe in Vinci, you're gonna see it right here. I'm telling you. Look at that. Guys, you see those burns that you're seeing on the plum? That's from lightning. That's when I light a lot in hit them, so they always get burned. Okay, enough eating. Let's full bucket. Watch me full bucket. Wow. A lot of burns, guys. A lot of lightning burns. From everywhere. Look at that. See exactly what I'm talking about? You see the burns? That's what I'm talking about. That's from lightning. Down there have a lot. Okay, we can get a couple from over here. Oh man. Guys, who love your plum? You love your plum like this? Or do you like it ripe? How do you love it? Leave in the comment section how you love your plums. If you like it yellow or like this. So far, this is what we have in the bucket. Another fruit tree planted by my father. This guy loves planting fruit trees, and now we are reaping the benefit because now we can harvest whatever. The cherry tree is over there. Tree. They burn bad, guys. Very bad. But nevertheless, we gotta get the plums. Remember, this is right in my backyard. I don't think I'm gonna fill the bucket. I'm just gonna get enough just to eat. Yeah. Behold the beauty of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, where you can come and get free fruits. Eunice Smith, Diddy Smith, plum trees start ripening already. So come and get yours before it's finished. And then when it's finished, I don't want you to curse me. Say that I never give you any plum. It's ripening now. Find me wherever I am in St. Vincent and you will get your share of plums. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna get some more and then I'll see you on the ground. Yes guys, so I've picked what I wanted. I didn't pick a lot because I'm not gonna eat all those plums. I just pick a few just to eat. And in another video, I'll pick a substantial amount. Yeah, let me show you what I got. That's what I picked for now. And it's in a small bucket like this. So this is what I'm gonna eat right now. And as you can see, There's still a lot more plums on the tree. And can you believe it? It's not really fully ripened as yet, because if you notice, all of the plums are still green. Yeah, they are still green. Look at this. Look at that. Falling already. So this is the view from my backyard. As I said before, they are having a football competition was open a couple of weeks back, and they have one of the games playing today. So that's why you are seeing that much people down there. Let me see if I can zoom it for you. So that's a playing field down there. Yeah, everything is within my reach. The hard court is down there, playing field, the beach. Yeah. Everything is within my reach, guys. Everything is within my reach. Yeah, not too long came from work. So I said let me do a small short video with some plums, you know, just for you guys to see. So stay tuned. See you in the next video until the next one finds us, or we find the next one. This is Vinci Vibe saying peace, love God, love people, and so until the next one, peace out.